Picture this. The lights flicker, then boom, darkness. The kids are screaming, the dog's barking, and the cat is staring at you like, well, human, fix it. It sounds like the start of a horror movie, right? But no worries, because with a little preparation, you can turn this blackout into your moment to shine. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to be the hero your family needs. First up, light. When the power's out, the last thing you want is to stumble over a Lego or step on the dog's tail. Stock up on flashlights and lanterns. Let the kids pick out their own flashlights. It makes them feel part of the adventure. Pro tip: glow sticks are not just for raves, they're also blackout magic for keeping little ones entertained and providing light. Let's talk food and water, because hungry kids and pets in a blackout? Not fun. Have a stash of non-perishable snacks, crackers, canned soups, granola bars, you name it. And don't forget their favorites. For pets, stock their food and maybe a treat or two. Hydration is key, so make sure there's plenty of water. 1 gallon per person per day. Yes, even for Fluffy over there. Staying connected is a game changer. Keep your phones charged with power banks, and if the kids are tech-savvy, let them help crank up a hand-powered charger. For longer outages, solar-powered chargers are your best friend. Bonus, they double as a science lesson. And don't forget a battery-powered radio, because Alexa, what's the news? Won't cut it. Safety first. Whether it's a scraped knee or a worried pup, you'll need a well-stocked first aid kit. Include the essentials: bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any medications your family needs. Don't forget your pets. Pack their meds too, and maybe a calming spray for nervous Nelly over here. And hey, kids love playing doctor, so let them help organize the kit. Generators are like backup superheroes. They keep the essentials running, like your fridge and maybe even your coffee maker. Because let's face it, you'll need caffeine. Teach the kids and pets to stay away from it, and always keep it outside in a ventilated area. Pro tip, let the kids name it. Ours, we call it Sparky. Winter blackouts? No problem. Stock up on cozy blankets, thermal socks, and hot cocoa mix. Build a blanket fort with the kids and turn it into a camping adventure. For pets, have extra bedding or a warm sweater. And don't forget, body heat is the best heat, so snuggle up. Now let's not forget hygiene. Wet wipes are your best friend when there's no running water. Keep extra toiletries on hand. Trust me, you don't want to run out of toilet paper. For pets, have extra poop bags or a portable litter box. And hey, let the kids take turns being the sanitizer captain. It keeps them busy. Finally, every hero needs a plan. Walk through it with your family, where the flashlights are, what to do if the power goes out, and who to call for help. Make it a game. Create a treasure map to find the flashlight, or let the kids design their own emergency kits. For pets, set up a safe space with their food, bedding, and favorite toys. Blackouts don't have to be a disaster. They can be an adventure. With some preparation and a little creativity, you can keep the kids entertained, the pets happy, and yourself calm. Remember, light, food, water, connection, safety, warmth, hygiene, and a plan. So get ready and be the hero your family needs. Cape optional.